This short guide explains how to buy shares of PDS Biotechnology Corporation. PDS Biotechnology is a clinical stage biotech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PDSB, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with a valid ID and add funds to enable purchases. Use the broker search bar, type the ticker PDSB, and locate the matching PDS Biotechnology Corporation listing. Confirm the company name and ticker before proceeding. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to ensure this is the correct PDSB stock. Check market data and the basic company description for confirmation. Select Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your PDSB position will appear in your portfolio after execution. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform shown in this video.